Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can download a draft video on TikTok. It's pretty simple. First, I will show you how to create a draft. First, alright, to create a draft, it's pretty simple. You can click on the plus button at the bottom, and you can shoot any video you want. But I'm going to shoot a random video. Alright, so this is going to be the random video, which I'm going to shoot. And then I will click on the tick at the bottom right. I will click on next again, and I will click on draft instead of post. Now, I have just created myself a draft video. Now, let's say I want to download the draft video on my phone without uploading it. What I need to do is click on profile at the bottom right of my screen. Once I'm on my TikTok profile, as you guys can see, it shows me draft over here. Now, and click on draft. Now, I have created 2 draft video. That's why it's showing me 2. But in your case, it's going to show you that if you have created how many. So choose the draft which you want to download. I want to download the latest one which I just clicked. So I will click on that. And at the top right corner, right below the setting icon, you can see a little download button. You want to click on that, and it's going to say save to album, which means I just downloaded my draft, and I didn't even have to post it. What I can do is just close my TikTok account, go inside photos, and as you guys can see, inside my photos, this is my draft video from TikTok. That's how you guys can download draft video on TikTok on your phone. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bob, until then.